Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you two things you need to do to fix Roblox error 403. Let's begin. First, go to your Windows Start menu over here, type Run, left click, then type the specific wording, App Data, click OK, then click on Local. I want you to look for Roblox. We're going to go to the R section over here, Roblox, right click on it, and then select delete. Now, since we are deleting Roblox itself, we need to reinstall this. Go to the Chrome browser, download the Roblox client, and while waiting for the installation, what you can do is go back over here on your Windows search bar, type VPN, and then make sure there are no VPN connected. And make sure if you have any third-party VPN softwares to turn them off. And that's it. Once you've successfully reinstalled your Roblox and made sure VPN is off, the error should now be gone. I hope you found this video very helpful.